Imagine ending your day, the to-do list still daunting, the clock ticking relentlessly. But instead of succumbing to the pressure, you type a single instruction: plan my trip, draft my emails, fix my website, and waking up to everything done. Imagine the possibilities, the freedom, the sheer relief. No more late nights or stressful mornings spent catching up, just results, delivered efficiently and effectively. This isn't sci-fi conjured from the depths of imagination. In 2025, AI agents are rapidly evolving and making this a tangible reality. Unlike Siri or Alexa, which passively wait for your next command, responding only when prompted, AI agents are fundamentally proactive, anticipating your needs and taking initiative. Give them a goal, a clearly defined objective, and they break it down into actionable steps, meticulously execute those steps, and seamlessly use apps and the vast resources of the web, just like a highly skilled human assistant would. We're rapidly moving from simple conversational AI, which primarily focuses on dialogue, to truly autonomous AI, capable of independent thought and action. The new standard isn't just understanding you and your requests, it's proactively doing things for you, anticipating your needs before you even voice them. Now, you can confidently delegate high-level objectives, strategic goals, and trust the AI to intelligently figure out the intricate details and navigate complex challenges. This fundamental shift is quietly and profoundly transforming productivity, the very nature of work, and the fabric of our daily lives. Instead of getting bogged down micromanaging every minute step and detail, you simply and clearly state your overarching goal. It's akin to having a tireless, exceptionally smart intern, dedicated to your success, who never sleeps, never tires, and is always on task. These sophisticated AI agents operate independently and autonomously, intelligently making informed decisions and creatively solving complex problems as they go. The era of passive, reactive digital assistance is definitively over. Now your technology proactively takes action on your behalf. That's precisely why everyone, from cutting-edge techies to forward-thinking business owners, is paying very close attention to this rapidly unfolding revolution. The game has irrevocably changed, and sophisticated AI agents are confidently leading the way into this exciting new future. So, what exactly an AI agent really? What does that term even mean in the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence? And perhaps more importantly, how is it fundamentally different from the AI you already know and might be using on a daily basis? We're talking about a significant shift in capabilities here. Think about ChatGPT and other similar tools. They're incredibly useful for generating text, answering questions, and even writing code, and they respond to prompts, but ultimately, they're reactive. One prompt, one answer. You ask a question, it gives you a response. End of transaction. You, the user, have to guide them every single step of the way, providing constant input and direction. It's a very hands-on experience. An AI agent, though, is fundamentally different because it's autonomous. It possesses a level of independence that sets it apart. You give it a high-level goal, and it intelligently creates its own detailed to-do list to achieve that objective. It proactively plans out the necessary actions, makes informed decisions along the way, and skillfully uses a variety of digital tools and resources to effectively get the job done, all without constant supervision. For example, if you ask a chatbot to find the best headphones under $300, it will likely just list a few models based on a simple search. But an AI agent will go much further. It actively researches different models, meticulously compares specifications, and diligently compiles reviews from various sources, and then presents you with a comprehensive summary, complete with pros and cons, all with no hand-holding required from you. So what's the secret behind this enhanced capability? It boils down to memory, advanced planning, and effective tool use. AI agents intelligently remember what they've already done and learned from past experiences, proactively plan their next steps based on that knowledge, and dynamically adapt their strategies as they go. They have the ability to browse the web to gather information, compose and send emails to communicate with others, seamlessly access your calendar to schedule appointments, and intelligently interact with a wide range of other software applications. This capability effectively bridges the gap between pure digital intelligence and tangible real-world action. So instead of just engaging in simple back-and-forth chatting, you essentially get a highly capable virtual worker with genuine autonomy and the ability to execute complex tasks. And that's precisely what makes AI agents such a significant leap beyond traditional chatbots. They're not just conversationalists, they're proactive doers, capable of taking meaningful action in the digital world and beyond. So, how are people actually leveraging AI agents in their daily lives right now? What real-world applications are emerging and gaining traction? Here are 5 key ways they're already making a significant impact across various industries and personal workflows. We're going to explore how these intelligent assistants are reshaping the landscape. First, automating communications is becoming increasingly sophisticated. Agents can intelligently manage your inbox, prioritize important messages, draft personalized replies, and even create compelling content from scratch, freeing up valuable time. Imagine never having to write another follow-up email again. Second, coding and development are being revolutionized. Cutting-edge tools like Devon AI can build, test, and deploy entire websites or complex applications from a simple natural language request. This dramatically accelerates development cycles and lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring programmers. Third, customer support is getting a major upgrade. Modern AI agents can handle routine tasks like processing refunds, tracking orders in real time, and troubleshooting common issues, seamlessly handing off to human agents only when complex or sensitive situations arise. This ensures faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Fourth, personal productivity is reaching new heights. AI agents can intelligently schedule meetings, proactively manage calendars, and efficiently handle to-do lists, essentially acting as highly efficient executive assistants, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic initiatives. Fifth, launching businesses is becoming significantly easier. AI agents can conduct thorough market research, build fully functional e-commerce sites, write compelling product descriptions optimized for search engines, and even set up targeted marketing campaigns, all with minimal human intervention. They're not just automating mundane tasks, they're fundamentally empowering anyone to accomplish more, learn faster, and achieve their goals with greater efficiency. For creators pushing boundaries, entrepreneurs disrupting industries, and teams striving for peak performance, AI agents are rapidly becoming like having a dedicated, highly skilled full staff available on demand, 24/7. They handle the tedious, repetitive, and often soul-crushing work so you can finally focus on high-level strategy, innovative problem-solving, and unleashing your creative potential. The ultimate result? More free time to pursue your passions, significantly less stress in your daily life, and a wealth of new opportunities you never thought possible. This isn't some distant vision of the future, it's actively happening right now, transforming workplaces and individual lives. AI agents are democratizing productivity and innovation on a global scale, empowering individuals and organizations of all sizes. Now, anyone with a compelling idea and a clear vision can execute it effectively, often with no prior coding experience required. And this is truly just the beginning. The possibilities for AI agents are expanding exponentially every single day. How does an AI agent actually work? Let's break it down. You give it a goal, say, write a blog post on solar panels. The agent plans, research, outline, write, review. It searches for sources, extracts key info, and stores it in memory. Then it organizes the data, creates an outline, and writes the article section by section. If it needs more info, it pauses, researches, and integrates new findings. Finally, it reviews the draft for clarity and accuracy. It's a loop of planning, acting, and refining until your goal is met. You're ready to try AI agents? You don't need to code. User-friendly platforms let you type your goals and let the agent handle the rest. Many tools are web-based. Just sign up and start delegating tasks. Start with agent features and apps you already use, like project management or email tools. For more power, try platforms like Agent GPT or Arcs Max features. The key is clear communication. Be specific about your goals. Start small, ask for a summary or a weekend plan. As you get comfortable, try more complex projects. If the agent gets stuck, rephrase your goal or break it down. Learning to work with AI agents is a new, valuable skill. AI agents are fast, tireless, and great at repetitive digital tasks. They bridge skill gaps, coding, writing, research, making advanced work accessible to anyone. This levels the playing field for individuals and small teams. But there are real weaknesses. Reliability is an issue. Agents can get stuck or make up facts. Human supervision is still needed, especially for important tasks. Think of them as super-powered interns, not fully autonomous employees. They lack true understanding and common sense. Subtlety, creativity, and emotional intelligence are still human strengths. For now, you set the vision. The agent executes the plan. Use them wisely, and they'll multiply your impact. Here's the bottom line. AI agents are a fundamental shift, not a fad. We're at the start of a new era like the early days of the internet. Those who learn to use these tools will unlock new levels of productivity. It's not about AI replacing people. It's about people who use AI getting ahead. You don't need to be a coder, just curious and willing to experiment. Start small. Offload a repetitive task and see what happens. Learn to phrase your goals clearly. The time you invest now will pay off massively. Don't wait, start exploring AI agents today. The opportunity is here, don't miss it.